We are going to become our own bank, our own security system. We are going to 100% own and have complete control over our digital assets like Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, altcoins, or other cryptocurrencies and NFTs all in less than 90 seconds right now with a brand new type of wallet. This is the latest version of the Tangem wallet, and it is the world's very first stylish, inconspicuous, wearable, ring-shaped cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Tangem Ring. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video we are going to unbox the Tangem Ring, see how super easy it is to set up and use together, even for beginners who are brand new to crypto, transfer our crypto to and from exchanges step by step, and experience the future of crypto wallets. Let's hit it. The Tangem Ring comes with two Tangem wallet cards as backups that are the size of a credit card and have all the same functionality as the Tangem Ring, which we will go over together. Tangem Ring and wallet cards are portable and give us easy access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies on the go without having to use any cables, chargers, or batteries. The wallets are fully functional, allowing us to send, receive, buy, earn, transfer, and swap thousands of coins, tokens, and NFTs and other digital assets on the fly. Tangem Ring gives us the power of crypto and blockchain technology literally wrapped around our finger. It is extremely secure with a CCEAL6 Plus certified chip inside, designed in collaboration with Samsung Semiconductors that protects against both invasive and non-invasive attacks. No Tangem wallet has ever been hacked since inception back in 2017. During activation, the Ring's built-in chip generates a random private key, ensuring it cannot be compromised, where the key is stored on the Ring and two Tangem cards with no other copies across space or time. Tangem wallets have been audited by both Kudelski Security and Riskier, where both independent firmware audits confirmed that Tangem Ring's firmware has no backdoors or vulnerabilities and cannot be updated. And their chips are designed to sign infinite transactions with a minimum life expectancy of 25 years. This physical ring is a high purity, hypoallergenic zirconia ceramic shell outside that is lightweight and highly resistant to scratches, dust, water, and extreme temperatures. We can wear it on our fingers or on a necklace, whatever suits our fancy. It is equipped with a durable NFC or near field communication antenna inside that enables smooth, seamless, simple connection with compatible smartphones. This is a truly revolutionary cryptocurrency hardware wallet, the first of its kind as a sleek, stylish, wearable accessory designed for crypto enthusiasts that is perfect for daily wear, adding a touch of elegance while also allowing us to sign crypto transactions on the go with just a simple tap. We literally just tap the Ring on our phones to access our wallets. Amazing. Setting up the wallet just takes a minute or two with the Tangem app's super user-friendly interface, which makes it simple and straightforward for anyone to start managing their crypto immediately. With the holidays around the corner, there are limited quantities of the Tangem Ring, so skip the rush and secure one today by scrolling down and using the link below to access their correct and official site, and use promo code CryptoCasey5 for a special discount for our community. Sweet! Let's unbox this thing. Opening the box here, we have the sleek, sexy, shiny Tangem Ring, as well as two sleek matte black Tangem cards, as well as some instructions and information. Next, installing the correct and official Tangem mobile app on our phones, and opening the app, tap Scan Tangem, and hold the Tangem Ring to your phone like so. Next, tap Create Wallet, and when it's ready to scan, tap and hold the Ring to your phone again, keeping it still until the operation is complete. Nice! Now we have a crypto hardware wallet in just a few seconds. That fast, simple, and easy. Now that we have a wallet, let's create backups of it and finalize the process. Tap Add a Card or Ring, and when it's ready to scan, tap and hold one of the Tangem wallet cards to your phone, and bam, one backup device added. Tap Add a Card or Ring again, and tap and hold the second card to your phone, and bam, two backup devices added. Now let's tap Finalize Backup, and next we are going to create an access code to protect our crypto hardware wallets. We can personalize them by setting a different access code for each card or ring later, or we can just have the same access code for all of them to secure the Tangem app in the event someone else had our wallet devices. Note that we can also restore the access code with a linked card or ring, so do not keep all of your devices in the same place. Cool. Tap Create, then choose any word, phrase, or number you want as your access code. Tap Continue, re-enter your access code one more time to verify it's accurate, then tap Submit. Place and hold your Tangem Ring against your phone, and tap Scan Ring. Hold it still until the operation is complete. Enter your access code, scan the ring once more, and it's done. Repeat this process with both backup cards by placing and holding the cards to your phone until all of the operations are complete. Next, we can select which tokens we have that we want to manage in the wallet, like Bitcoin versus Ethereum versus USDT, Dogecoin, and more, as well as whatever blockchain network they are on. We can also add more later and at any time throughout our crypto journey. Once we've made our selections, tap Continue, enter your access code once more, tap Continue, scan one of the wallet devices once more, and success! Your Tangem ring and card backup wallets are configured and ready to go. Congratulations! Tap Continue to my wallet. And here we are at the main dashboard. Now let's check out the mobile app and learn how to use it safely and securely, and then move some crypto to it step by step. Note that Tangem wallets have the option of generating a seed phrase with the Tangem mobile app, like we just did, or if we have an existing wallet, we have the option of importing an existing seed phrase from another wallet, which we would have to do before deciding to generate a seed phrase. So it's important to note that if we create the wallet without the seed phrase option, generating a seed phrase later will never be possible. So we need to carefully consider the pros and cons of each option and decide which one we are most comfortable with long term. One of the best features about Tangem and how their technology differs from other wallets like Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask is, if we think about it, cryptocurrency private keys are generated by elaborate mathematical algorithms where data is encrypted many times using a huge amount of computing power, and then this incredibly important key, when it comes out to most other wallets, is then just converted into a 12-word phrase that can be used by anyone, anywhere, at any time to steal everything. Right, important things to consider. So do your own research and never put your eggs or crypto all in one basket or even several types of the same basket. Diversification by having multiple hardware wallets with different technology is just as important as diversification of assets, like spreading cash into several different banks and funds across different types of investments like stocks versus bonds versus art versus real estate and more. Amazing. Now let's explore the app and then transfer some cryptocurrencies off of the exchange to our Tangem wallet together step by step, so we can get more comfortable with the process. We will also transfer some crypto back to the exchange to practice for our profit-taking strategy in this bull run, which you can learn more about in this guide by clicking on the link above. Sweet! Let's look around the Tangem app. From here on the dashboard, in the top right-hand corner of the screen, if we tap the three-dot icon, it takes us to a navigation menu where we can use Wallet Connect to connect to and disconnect from decentralized applications in Web3. Tapping on our wallet, we can give the wallet a name, manage tokens, go to device settings where we can scan a ring or card we want to change. Note that it only affects the ring or card you scan, not the other devices tied to your wallet. Here in device settings, we can see the device ID, issuer, signed hashes, security mode, change the access code, enable or disable access code recovery, or reset to factory settings, which would delete the wallet from the selected card or ring, and you wouldn't be able to use the device to restore the current wallet or access code. Back to wallet details, we can choose to scan another ring or card. We can buy more Tangem wallets. We can contact support and view Tangem's terms of service. Cool. Back to the main dashboard, we can quickly and easily add tokens by searching and selecting them from this search bar. And if we tap on a coin like Bitcoin, we can see options to receive, swap, and buy Bitcoin, as well as view its live market price and view any transaction history we have of it. Since we haven't transferred any Bitcoin to our wallet yet, once we do, we will be able to also send and sell Bitcoin from here. Cool. Let's move some Bitcoin we have on our Coinbase account off of the exchange together to hold in our very own Tangem wallet step by step. Open the Tangem app. On the main dashboard, tap Bitcoin, then tap Receive, tap Copy, and then open your Coinbase app. Tap Crypto, tap Bitcoin, tap Transfer, tap Send, select the Bitcoin network, then paste the address into the Bitcoin address field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. I always recommend doing a small amount to test it out and so you can get comfortable with the process, like $100. Then tap Preview, make sure everything looks good, and then tap Send Now, and it's on its way. In a few minutes, when we open the Tangem app, we will see the $100 worth of Bitcoin we sent from Coinbase that we now completely own and control. Repeat this same process for any other type of cryptocurrency by copying the corresponding address on Tangem Wallet, also making sure we select the right network. Like for example, with Tether, there are many available networks like Ethereum versus BNB Smart Chain versus Solana and more. And then repeat the same similar process on any other exchange you may have crypto on by using the send function, pasting the address in the recipient field, and checking to make sure everything looks good before sending. The process is actually much easier and simpler than most people think who are new to crypto, and it's a lot like riding a bike. I can explain how to ride a bike, I can show you how to ride a bike, and you can read about riding a bike. However, at the end of the day, you need to get on the bike and ride it for yourself to learn. So start practicing transferring to and from different exchanges and wallets to prepare for this face-melting bull cycle, so you can take profits and potentially change your life with some nice gains. And if you want to explore a simple tool any of us can reference to increase our probability of making gains by buying and selling altcoins at the right time, check out this video guide all about the money line chart using the link above. Great. Now let's transfer crypto from our Tangem wallet back to Coinbase Exchange to practice for when we need to lock in profits by converting it to fiat and transferring it to our bank accounts. So open the Coinbase Exchange app, tap transfer, tap receive crypto, select the crypto like Bitcoin, tap copy, then open the Tangem wallet app. On the dashboard, tap Bitcoin, tap send, paste the Bitcoin address from Coinbase in the recipient field, tap next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, tap next, make sure everything looks okay, then tap send, enter your access code, tap continue, and then scan your Tangem ring or one of your Tangem cards, and that's it. The transaction was sent. Tap close and we can see our Bitcoin transaction history here. And after a few minutes or so, depending on how busy the network is and exchanges are, it will show up on the exchange, and from there you can sell it for your country's currency and then transfer it to your bank account. Note that you can also take profit in stablecoins or swap cryptocurrencies between each other directly on the Tangem wallet app without transferring it by tapping on the token, tapping swap, choosing the amount in the currency, or there's also an option to sell for fiat using MoonPay if you tap sell. However, you will need to set up an account with them, which is a good idea, so we have multiple options to trade and sell crypto when the market is hot, as some exchanges get overwhelmed, freeze transactions, prevent withdrawals, etc. Awesome! If you would like to learn how to create a profit-taking strategy step by step to make the most out of this crypto bull run, check out this video. If you would like to watch the ultimate beginner's guide to understand how crypto wallets, seed phrases, and private keys work, check out this video. And to get your very own Tangem Ring wallet, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.